Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Whew. Today's supposed to be a big snowstorm in New York City. I think today is January 31st. If I'm not mistaken, I'm the worst with dates. Right now it's snowing a little bit, as you can see. Unfortunately, I have to work in the morning, but thank God I'm one of those privileged people that my job can accommodate me in a hotel for tonight, to facilitate me going into work in the morning. So right now I'm on my way to the hotel, and it's like a few minutes from the job, so I can't breathe. I'm tired. Basically, this is the door, this is the mirror, but we're not gonna go there because I have to do my hair. I have my coat hanging because it's soaked from all the snow, so I'm hoping the heater will let it dry. But basically you come in and you have yourself the bathroom. Very comfortable, very nice, detached shower head, something simple. Love the lights. Once again, ignore the hair. On this side we have a little safe, a little fridge, some drawers, something to hang your stuff, coffee, everything very compact, very cute. A little sitting area, desk, TV, the bed, I believe it's a king size bed. You have your two nightstands, and then you have the view. Let me close this real quick. This is the view. This is downtown Manhattan, near the World Trade Center. You have here the FDR, and that's the water. So very nice, very convenient, close to the job. Can't complain.